Designer Notes, Subject 3. Bauhaus Principles. It's possibly the single most popular design that we don't know of. We use it every day. It's all around us. You see it all the time. And it came from this building. Bauhaus, or German for building house, is a school for design and arts founded in 1919 and operated until 1933. Its founder was Walter Gropius, and the school produced a number of architects and artists. After Nazi occupation forced it to close its doors, its many visionaries scattered throughout Europe, the United States, and Canada, bringing with them a lasting impact in design. The main principles of Bauhaus is that there's an ideal design dimension to all objects that have function. One must design things with less lines for maximum efficiency. Make use of negative spacing from in and around the object. Everything must have a purpose for its existence. A chair can also be a table. Why have it in just one corner when you can move it around anywhere? Manufacture things so that it can easily be assembled by anyone. These design principles are being used by IKEA. As much as searching for Bauhaus design would yield you with a multitude of furnitures as an example, the Bauhaus design ideals have touched many industries such as the car world. The Audi TT purely displays its Bauhaus roots. Many of its lines are conservative curves, directing its components such as the headlights. Hard lines create a clean and crisp direction that is both pleasing to the eye and also aerodynamic. There are thousands of books printed about Bauhaus, and it has influenced many designers today. One of the more prominent designers is Dieter Rams, the head designer of BRAUN. Rams made countless futuristic items for BRAUN back in the 50s. The design language is clear and clean. Circles provide interest and function. Less is more. In an era where everybody is trying to add more switches and knobs to their devices, Rams aim to simplify design. One example is by integrating both the power switch and the volume slider into one single knob. This design language became an inspiration to others. Even John Ives of Apple openly credited Rams for the design aesthetic of the iPod. Bauhaus lives on in many of the popular products around us. The secret to its lasting impact is not in design really, but in the areas of our lives beyond design that it touched. It's not merely art, but art with function. It's not merely functional, it also looks good. Bauhaus merged these elements together seamlessly. And by doing that, Bauhaus merged into our lives.